Hello, everybody. So I'd like to remind what we've been asked many years ago, or not so many years ago. Can you fix my computer? Or what do you do? I work with software engineering. Oh, you can fix my computer. So similar question I was asked quite frequently for the last year when people ask me like, oh, I've heard you know infrastructure. And most of the time, infrastructure sounds like a bad word or something what I have no clue what is it, so it's some magic which I hope you can help me with. So in many situations, we are dealing with things which we understand and we feel comfortable with that. So we have idea, we have task, with problems, add some coffee, and eventually we are software developers because we produce code and tests, and this is how software developers will kind of looked at, I don't know, 10 years ago. So when you started, this is all you do. So then after some time, you figure out that, oh my God, no one actually wants to deploy and run and maintain it, so let me do this, simply because no one else can do. So you kind of get promotion. You become software developer 1.0. And when you kind of, few years ago, when this DevOps movement appeared, you realize that actually I can be called as DevOps engineer. I personally don't care about job titles, but it seems that lots of people prefer to be called as DevOps engineers according to Stack Overflow and LinkedIn jobs. And many people don't care about job title as well. They just like to get things done, and if it's done and working, they're happy. So what I want to mention is how to get this transition from like software engineer, which you've been many years ago, into something what you want to be in the near future. So the common thing is that you have to become an expert in any area. Really, if you become an expert in any area, people will take you seriously and will understand that, oh, you can solve problems. Because I remember yesterday, most of people said that they like to solve real problems. So that's why they attend conferences, and hopefully they will even commit code to GitHub, answer a question on Stack Overflow. All of this is increasing your visibility, and you, by definition, become an expert. If you can answer some question, that's cool. Sometimes you can actually earn money on this by actually answering random questions for people. So for example, use a code mentor, where it's one of my hobbies to answer absolutely random question in terms of technologies which I claim I know. So, and in order to be good with that, you absolutely need to leave your comfort zone. And this is what Rainbow Dash, I mean, yeah, she's somewhere on this image. So she was partying a lot. She left her comfort zone. So, and the reason why she did so is that she actually has to follow curiosity and has to be humble and has to be open and looking around what's available, what's out there. So you don't have to stick to one technology and just don't look around. But on the other side, you don't have to be like DevOps Pokemon Master, where you learn everything and don't become specialist of anything. So there is a very good proverb about curiosity didn't kill the cat. I don't know if everyone understands it, but it means it's good to be curious, just like that. So it's a real proverb. And ideas for open spaces and ideas for how we can actually change this and what we can talk about and plan and actually implement is something on the areas like serverless and DevOps and many other things which can be discussed and implemented. So as I was already introduced, it doesn't make too much sense, but yeah, I work with technologies like AWS and Terraform, and I try to stimulate community to actually learn more about these technologies. And I organize meetups and staying very active in open source community by solving real problems of real people, which I hear from sometimes from Stack Overflow or from GitHub issues. So it's my hobby and work. So yeah, thanks all.